Welcome to Let's Talk Gardening. I'm Norma Samuel, Florida Friendly Landscaping and Urban Horticulture Agent with the University of Florida Institute of Food and Agriculture Sciences, UF-IFAS Extension in Sumter County. In today's episode, I will be talking about Tussock Moth Caterpillars. Annual outbreaks of Tussock Moth Caterpillars are common in north-central Florida between late March to early April. The presence of these hairy caterpillars can be an annoyance because they occur in large numbers and their hairs can cause mild to severe allergic reactions in some people. There are 3 species of Tussock Moth Caterpillars in Florida: the Orgaia detritor, Orgaia leucostigma, also called the white-marked tussock moth, and Orgaia definita. The detritor and leucostigma are the 2 most common species in Florida, both with red heads. They have 2 black hair pencils that project forward like antennae, 4 dense tufts of hair on the body called tussocks, hence the name, and 1 black tuft of hair in the rear that looks like a tail. The detritor species have a dark body with orange-colored spots along the back and sides. The leucostigma species has a lighter colored body with yellow spots. The definita species looks similar but has yellow or tan head. Tussock moth caterpillars hatch from eggs late February to early March. The primary host is oak trees, and hatching usually coincides with when the oaks are sending out a new flush of growth. They feed on oak leaves and as they mature, fall on the vegetation underneath. They can cause significant defoliation of oaks and plants beneath. The young caterpillars chew out sections along the leaf margins. As they develop, the older larvae will also chew holes in the middle of the leaves. The caterpillars feed for about 6 to 8 weeks. Fully grown, the caterpillars are about 1 to 1.5 inches in length. The mature larvae will disperse to find protected area on the eaves of houses, picnic tables, etc. to spin their silken cocoons. They remain in the cocoon or pupal stage for about 10 to 24 days. Depending on where you are in north central Florida, you may notice populations are decreasing right now as the larvae are entering the cocoon stage. The adults will begin to appear mid-April to early May. The females appear to be wingless, but actually they do have very small knobs for wings. The adult females will lay their eggs on the cocoons. The male moths do have wings that are held pressed to the body at rest, giving them a triangular appearance. Predators of Tussock moth caterpillars include birds, reptiles, and other insects. Treating oak trees is not warranted. They will recover, but they may begin to struggle health-wise if defoliated more than 3 consecutive years. If shrubs below the oaks are being devastated by Tussock moth caterpillars, treat with an insecticide. Remove caterpillars and cocoons from structures by sweeping them with a broom and dropping them in a bucket of soapy water to kill them. Be sure to wear long-sleeve shirts to prevent being exposed to the hairs, as you could possibly have an allergic reaction. The Florida Poison Control Center in Tampa recommends using clear tape to remove the caterpillar hairs from areas of your body that was exposed. Use ice packs to ease the stinging sensation, then treat the area with a paste made from baking soda and water. Contact a physician if symptoms are severe. Here you can see some oak trees that were defoliated by the Tussock Moth Caterpillars. Earlier this week, I visited a farm that had a severe outbreak, and the understory plants, in this case, banana, is being defoliated by Tussock Moth Caterpillars. The owner said in a few days prior to our visit, the ground appeared as if it was moving. The caterpillars shown here are under the eaves of a storage shed on the same farm. Here you see them and cocoons on a fence. At the location where I made a visit to record clips for this episode, there was probably more than 10 caterpillars on my car when I was about to leave. When I opened the door, 2 of them fell inside. I did enjoy watching this one strut across my car. Visit the link below this video to learn more about the different species of Tussock Moth Caterpillars and to the Poison Control Center. There's also a Qualtrics link for you to complete a brief survey to provide feedback on this episode. Thank you for joining me for this episode of Let's Talk Gardening. I'm Norma Samuel with the UF-IFAS Extension in Sumter County.